Okay, so we are going to now take a look at recognizing normal distribution in a frequency table. So we know something is a normal distribution if the frequencies start low, then increase to one or two high frequencies, then decrease to a low frequency. So again, if you were looking at a chart, let's say we're going to have our class limits in here. I'm just making these numbers up. The frequencies you're going to be focused over here, and it might be something like 1, 2, 2, 1. You see they start low, and they get higher, and then get low again. The distribution is approximately symmetric. Please know that they might not necessarily be exactly symmetric, but that's what we're looking for, okay? Now it says draw pictures of the types of distributions. So we talked about a normal distribution. We said that looks bell-shaped. Again, we have a lot of things are normally distributed. Heights of people are normally distributed. Again, there's some really short people, there's some really tall people, but most people's heights fall somewhere in the middle. All right, I'm going to do uniform distribution now, and then we'll talk about skewed left and skewed right. So, a uniform distribution would look like this. It would be, we're going to have that horizontal axis, and it would be uniform means they're all the same. So we have maybe, if we were looking at grades, we might have 2 A's, 2 B's, 2 C's, 2 D's, and 2 F's. That would be a uniform distribution because you see they're all pretty much the same, right? All right, now let's talk about skewed left or skewed right. It's a little bit, I guess, counterintuitive is what I would say, but data that's skewed left, the distribution would look like this, where it starts low and gets high. I like to follow the tail. You see this kind of looks like a tail here. It has a left tail. And that's why we would say this is skewed left. A lot of the data is located on the right, but you see that tail. So data that's skewed right is like this, and the tail is to the right. So we would say this is right tail. All right.